pasta I use after my workouts? This is it. Chocolate peanut butter? Literally dessert after the gym. 24 grams of protein, 5.5.
You've probably seen UGC-style videos like these on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. But what if I told you that you only need one single product image to create a UGC video just like that?
You know that feeling when you finally get your dream pair? These Jordan 1 breads. Clean, bold, classic. No cap. Fire.
And it's completely free. What would you think? Yes, in today's video, I'm going to show you the entire process of making your own UGC video from start to finish. No secrets held back. And this video will cover how to write a complete prompt to perfectly control your video flow, how to use Sora 2 to generate a full video, how to remove watermarks, and how to create your own personal influencer, especially a consistent influencer you can reuse for your UGC videos. So, whether you want to earn affiliate commissions on social media through UGC content, or you're in e-commerce and want to boost your product sales with these videos, this is the video you don't want to miss. Hit that like button and subscribe. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the prompt. Wait, didn't they say Sora 2 only needs a short prompt? Well, yes. If you're just testing, a simple prompt will do. But simple prompts mean less control. You might need to generate several versions and then pick the one you like best. That's a huge time waster. For example, take this video. I tested it using a simple prompt. A TikTok influencer video where a young woman wears this outfit and shows it to the audience in front of the camera, explaining the benefits of this outfit and finally explaining where to buy the same outfit. And the outfit reference to this image. Let's check out the video result.
Today I went for neutral tones but kept it polished. This knit has structured shoulders and gold buttons so it looks dressy but feels like a sweatshirt. The satin pencil skirt is super soft and has ruching on the hips so you can actually walk in it. Sock boots keep the line clean and add height, and a little box bag ties in the hardware. If you want to
So, did you notice the problems? Exactly. Some shots are really weird. The voiceover was fully auto-generated by Sora 2. And that's not what you wanted, right? The video just cuts off suddenly, like it's a random unfinished clip. But with a complete, well-controlled prompt, the result looks completely different. Look at this example. This one was made using a full prompt.
Okay, here's my outfit of the day. Black, gold, and champagne. Simple, classy. This knit has the gold buttons, the satin pencil skirt, and these stiletto boots. Little structured bag to match. Confidence is the best accessory.
Doesn't it look way better? That's a single scene video, but for a fashion UGC ad, you can also make multi-scene videos, like this.
When confidence meets class, this is my everyday luxury.
Nice, right? It really has that feel. That's why prompt control is super important. But don't worry, I won't make you rack your brain to write long prompts. I've already prepared ready-to-use templates for you. You can find them in my Discord or check the doc link in the description below. Once you're in, just copy the template. Go to ChatGPT, paste it in, and now you're ready to upload your product image to get the full Sora 2 prompt. Example 1. Nature Valley Granola Bars. Let's start with this product. Just upload this image to ChatGPT and type this prompt. TikTok-style female influencer video. Single background setting, video taken by iPhone here. You can change female to male or specify your influencer type, like Chinese, Korean, American, etc., depending on your target audience. Let's keep it simple for now. And bam! You'll instantly get a 15-second UGC script. Next, copy that whole prompt and go to Sora 2. Paste your prompt. Don't click Generate yet. We need to tweak a few settings first. Choose Portrait Mode, set duration to 15 seconds, then upload your product image, and click Create Video. Once it starts, you can check the progress in your Drafts tab. A few minutes later, your video's done. Let's play it.
Need a quick boost before work? This is my go-to. Crunchy, sweet, and only 100 calories. Nature Valley Oats and Honey keeps me going every morning. So good.
Looks solid, right? A clean 15-second UGC that feels complete and natural. You can even test more scenarios: outdoor hiking, office snack break, road trip vibe, etc. I won't go through all those now, but you get the idea. Example 2. UGC video for shoes. Same process. Upload a shoe image, get your prompt from ChatGPT, and then generate the video in Sora. Here we go. Okay, your video's ready.
You know that feeling when you finally get your dream pair? These Jordan 1 breads. Clean, bold, classic. No cap. Fire.
How do you feel about it? Tell me in the comments below. Alright, I won't waste your time testing other products. Once you use my template, you can create UGC videos for any product. Here are a few demos I've made.
You guys always ask what I use after my workouts? This is it. Chocolate peanut butter, literally dessert after the gym. 24 grams of protein, 5.5 grams of BCAAs. You feel the difference. Stay consistent, you'll thank yourself later.
Color therapy, but make it candy. Tastes like happiness in every bite. When your snack matches your vibe, life just hits different.
My current obsession? These Ghirardelli caramel waffle cone squares. Look at that caramel. It's creamy, crunchy, and that caramel? Unreal. Perfect for that midday pick-me-up. Treat yourself.
Your scent should say who you are before you even speak. This is me, Coco Mademoiselle.
My go-to snack when I'm on the move. So good, oats, honey, and that crunch. Fuel your day, Nature Valley.
Can we take a second for this? It tracks everything and still looks like jewelry. Who said smart can't be glamorous? Smart plus stylish equals me.
All the related prompts are in the doc file. Check it out if you're interested. Now let's talk about removing Sora's watermark. You've probably seen tons of watermark removal tools for Sora, but personally, I recommend this one. I'll leave the link in the description. It's free. Give it a try if you need it. Just download your Sora video to your computer, upload it there, and in about 2 minutes, your clean video is ready to post.
You know that feeling when you finally get your dream pair? These Jordan 1 breads. Clean, bold, classic. No cap. Fire.
Finally, how to create UGC videos with a consistent influencer. Besides removing watermarks, this is probably your biggest question. Method 1. Add your own cameo. If you're using an iPhone with iOS 18 or above, you can download the Sora app and add your own cameo directly. Method 2. What if you are Android user? But if you're on Android, or you don't want to use your personal photos or videos, like me, then don't click away yet. Watch carefully, because missing even one step could make it fail. Alright, let's break it down. Step 1. Where does the consistent character image come from? You can use your own photo or generate one with AI. Let's use AI as an example. Open Dreamina and enter the prompt. An influencer, in her 20s, European American style, beautiful and healthy. You can pick models like Seedream 4.0 or Nano Banana. Let's go with Seedream 4.0 here. Click Generate. After it's done, pick one you like. I'll choose the 4th image. Click Download. Next, upload that photo again and type, change to black and white line drawing style. Select one version and download it to your computer. That's your seed image. Step 2. Combine this seed image with your product image. You can use Photoshop or any tool you like. I'll use Canva for this demo, just like this. Once they're combined, click Share Arrow Download to save the merged image. Then go back to ChatGPT, upload your new image, and enter the prompt. TikTok-style fitness female influencer in the image, video. Video taken by iPhone. And bingo, you'll get a detailed prompt. Copy it, go back to Sora, and process your video. Now your video features your own consistent influencer image.
These Jordans keep up with every move. Gym, street, or everyday hustle.
That's wild, right? I won't repeat the rest. The steps are the same. Here are a few more examples for reference.
You know those tiny moments that make your day sweeter? It's like a caramel dream with a crunch. Try it once, and you'll get it.
You know that feeling after a tough workout? This is my secret weapon. Chocolate peanut butter. Tastes like dessert, feels like a pro. Fuel your goals, not your excuses.
Okay, here's my outfit of the day. Got classic black and gold on top.
Silky champagne on the bottom.
Simple, classy. These buttons are my favorite little detail, and the bag just ties it together. Confidence is the best accessory. Let's go.
Guess what I found? Taste the rainbow. Sweet, chewy, and totally TikTok worthy. Twizzlers Rainbow is my new favorite treat.
When confidence meets class, this is my everyday luxury.
Comfort meets power. These Jordans keep up with every move. Gym, street, or everyday hustle.
All right, my friends. By now, you've learned the entire workflow for creating TikTok-style UGC ads using just a single image. From writing prompts to generating videos, removing watermarks, and even keeping your influencer consistent across videos. Now, use those golden hands of yours, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching and subscribing. See you in the next one.